We have 6 mystery sabers coming in.
Wow. Thank you, Star Wars Theory. For the 2-inch. Welcome back, guys. Today we got the Apprentice set with me. This is the Mystery Saber box. This is the Apprentice. If anything, we are going to be just focusing on the rubber band saber. That's what I'm calling it at this point, because it has 1, 2, 8, 9 rubber bands on it. So bracelet. Again, there's probably not much to do with it. But it is getting a little dark, and I wouldn't mind putting it together. So set that there. Again, nice cloth. You know, whenever I open up any box, it's like a nice book smell, or like a nice, you know, Best Buy electronic smell. So these are both looks like 32-inch. This, let me take a look. Alright, that is the NeoPixel blade, yeah. So, now, when I was doing the unboxing video a while back, I wasn't too happy with this. I actually thought I was going to actually get, you know, something that, you know, Apprentice, so it'd be like, you know, Anakin, Saber, or whatever. But, after giving some time and some thinking, it's okay. I mean, it's a NeoPixel blade, so should work just like with the other one. And small, easy to grip. There's no buttons or knobs in the way. I mean, unless, you know, this guy here. But no, when dueling, it's not in the way at all. So 2 little screws tied on. Actually, no, 4. So I got it tied on both sides. So let's put it together and see what it looks like. Alright, so when screwing on the saber, I'm actually screwing it on inside the box, so in case I actually drop the screw, it's not, yeah, see, I just dropped it. But luckily for me, it's inside the box. So that'll save me a whole bunch of time if you're screwing it on outside or something. These screws aren't really tiny, it's just really difficult to line everything up. Bro, stop coming off. There, geez. Try it out. So this is, I would actually, you know, maybe screw it twice. I just screwed the bottom there. I left the top one empty. Same on this side. Bottom one, top one empty. Should be enough. It did come with 4 screws, no backups. So if I lose 1 screw, I'll be down 3 screws. So I just screwed in the 2. And I actually recommend when you're actually screwing it on, you know, outside or something, use the top cover of the box, so that way if you do lose a screw, it'll be inside the box. You don't have to worry about, you know, searching the ground for it, like I did for hours that one day. That was insane. Tiny screw. Searched literally half the day, find a little screw in the grass over there. It was not fun. Anyways, this is the rubber band. This is the apprentice blade. I just call it the rubber band blade because it has so many rubber bands on it. Again, I think I counted 4, 7, 8, 9 rubber bands. So, okay, turning it on. Just hold.
Power on.
On. Okay, so it didn't do anything.
Power off.
Alright, 6 seconds, power off. Okay, so I just realized I did not seat in the pixel blade all the way, so I'm actually going to unscrew this, tighten it down, and then screw it back in, and hopefully when I ignite the saber, it'll be a nice blue color, or whatever color the settings is on. Okay, so again, like I said, the only downside about recording outside at any time during the summer is mosquitoes, and I was just trying to tighten this, and a mosquito got my arm, so they're not fun. Alright, let's try again here. On.
Power on.
It's fully lit, but for some odd reason it doesn't look right. Okay, well.
Ignition 2. Ignition 3, Ignition 4, Ignition 5, Ignition 6.
So this is probably my favorite one, the TIE Fighter. You know, there's so much more space on here. I can just keep twisting forever. Oh, this is so fun though. So I've seen Theory's videos of him, you know, bashing the saber up against a tree, running it over with a car, chucking it down the stairs. This thing is pretty much indestructible, so I'm gonna have some fun. I'm gonna try yeeting it and stuff, and well, I'm not gonna like throw it, but I'm gonna, you know, I'm gonna swing it, and you know, as hard as I can, and you know, just see what comes up of it. Okay, so I just realized it is a bit loose, so I'm gonna tighten it a bit here.
Blade 2. Darth Revan.
I am Bastila Shan. Darth Malak.
Oh, it's I actually thought it had stopped recording for a second there. You know, I actually put up like you know, I put up my hand like this to you know, start the camera from You know, certain phones are actually unique. This one in particular, all I gotta do is just wave a, you know, just put up my hand, and it thinks it's okay, and it starts counting down, and then it records. And I thought I had it paused, so that's why I was gonna, you know, play it. But apparently it's been recording. So no, I'm just trying to figure out what.
I came to warn you, Jedi.
So on here it looks orange, but believe me, it is blood red. It is it's like really red. It looks orange on the screen, I know, like orange yellow, but it is red, like red. Cars are passing by. Video I did a while back, I actually, you know, turned on the Saber and actually walked towards the road while a car was passing by. The guy didn't see me, but he, well, the guy that went that way, he was door dashing. He didn't see me, but the truck did. He actually slowed down a bit around the corner and said, "Wait, what was that?" So it's a video further back. Just scroll back. It's in one of the videos. You'll find it. It's at the end. I think it's one of the night show ones to make it easy for you guys to search. General Grievous? No, that is not General Grievous. I like General Grievous.
You can never see me.
What's with all the red blades? Every blade I get is red. I mean, that looks like an orange. It's actually showing up very nicely on the screen. It's like a nice orange. I like that, but it's another red blade. I got so many Siths on this card here.
Let's see what this saber can do.
Alright, there we go. Finally, a blue saber. Woohoo!
On Cal.
Cal! Nice. Okay, so we're just going to stick with Cal Kestis's blade. So like I said earlier, I was actually going to go yeeting it, or, you know, swinging it super hard until I got distracted. Thought I heard thunder, but I think there's fireworks going on out in the distance, so here's Cal Kestis's blade. Ah, there we go. Swing, I pulled my arm on that one. So I'm okay though. I'm swinging this thing like crazy. Very secured, and I have more blades, so maybe in the future I also got brothers too. So in the future, maybe a good duel. But anyways, that'll be it for this video. It is getting dark, so I may either extend this or post the next one on the next video. But I don't want to get too dark though, so I'm probably just going to 1, 2, 6,
Power off.
7 seconds. So that was 6 seconds, but 7 seconds. But anyways, yep, that'll do it for this video. And you know, in the next one I may do, you know, a duel with my brothers. That'll be pretty cool. I'll probably choose a saber for them. I don't want to do, you know, the NeoPixel. Well, I don't want them to do like Profi blades. So again, those blades are like 400. I'll probably let them do, you know, maybe the base lit ones. Yeah, I'll probably do a base lit because I don't want to, you know, scuff up a perfectly good blade. So that'll do it for this video. Thank you guys so much. I'm a bit shorter than the last one, but I just want to get it out there for you. And yeah, enjoy the rest of your week. Have a good one.